So, hi all of you. Today I will discuss the key answer for Physical Science question paper 2024 KSET examination, which is conducted by KEA. I will discuss here D1 series. D1 series. Okay. So the first question in this is related to special theory of relativity. If event A happens at point XA, YA and ZA, something they are given, and at time TA is 15. Event B occurs at these positions. Both events occur in system S. What is the invariant interval between A and B? For this question, option C is correct. 50. And the second question, the characteristic impedance of a coaxial lines, the formula they are given, assume mu is equal to mu m naught, A naught. Air filled coaxial lines as radius ratio 2, find the characteristic impedance. For this question, option A is correct. So 41.4. Next, third question is from electrodynamics. A rectangular waveguide is shown in the figure. Now what is the boundary condition of E and H on the top wall? So option B is correct for this question. Next, question number 4. The question number 4 is, the waveguide, if E2 is equal to 0, then the wave is denoted as TE waves. So option A is correct. The value of N, L, S, J, MS for the state 3, 2, D3 by 2 R. So for fifth question, option A is correct. And sixth question related to WKB approximation. The condition for the validity of WKB approximation, for this option B is correct. The scattering of a particle by a potential can analyze by a Born approximation. So Born approximation is valid for weak scattering potential. So here weak potential, there are two options. So I have a little bit confusion in this. Option A or option C is correct. And question number 8. In this, option A, B are correct. In option C, they are missing 4. If it is 4, B, then it is correct. So in option D, here it also they are mismatched. So option C is also not wrong. Option D is also not wrong. If they neglect 4, option D is correct answer. Next, question number 9, related to quantum mechanics commutation relation, the value of Lz, cos phi. For this, option A is correct. The density and entropy changes suddenly in first order phase transition. Option A is correct. If mu is a mobility of the system, then diffusion coefficient D is given by. Option A is correct. The diffusion is mainly due to concentration gradient. Option C is correct. The transition from the non-ferromagnetic state to ferromagnetic state is phase transition of second order. So option B is correct. The phase modulation, the frequency deviation is directly proportional to the modulating signal frequency. Option C is correct. And y is equal to ax power b plus c is in linear form is. So for this question, if we apply a lag and if we solve this, I will get this equation. So option A is correct. In this question also I have doubt. Next question number 16. In a transducer, the experimentally obtained transfer function is different from the theoretical transfer function. The error resulting from the difference are called non-conformity errors. So option C is correct. Next, question number 17. Which one of the following type of noise gains importance at high frequency? Transient time noise. So option D is correct. Question number 18. The Fourier transform of the function sin t defined in the figure is. Option C is correct. The rotation spectrum of 17BR. So this question I have to solve. I don't know about this. In the later class, I will discuss this one. Question number 20. Hard bands in a diatomic molecule with anharmonic oscillator occurs when there is a transition form. So for this, option D is correct. N is equal to 1 to N is equal to 2 for hard bands. And next, this AMOP corporate question also have to solve. Next question. A hydrogen atom in the ground state absorbed a photon of energy 20 electron volt. What is the square of the speed of liberated electron in meter per second square? So for this, option C is correct. 2.25 into 10 to the power of 12. Next, 23rd question, the possible term of one electron atom corresponding to n is equal to 3r. Option D is correct. Next, 25th question, the Zeeman pattern of lines consists of 6 equidistant components. The upper state term is 2p 3 by 2. What is the lower state term? 2p 1 by 2. Option A is correct. In a two-level atom with energy difference of 1 electron volt, the upper level is populated by twice the number of atoms than that in the lower level. What is the temperature estimated from Boltzmann factor? Option B is correct, 16.7 into 10 to the power of 3 Kelvin. The ESR spectrum of an unpaired electron interacting with two equivalent protons shows 3 lines. What is the ratio of the intensities? So option C is correct, 1:2:1. The NMR signal for a compound is found to be 180 Hz downward from TMS peaks using a spectrometer operating at 60 MHz. What is the chemical shift? So 3 ppm. Option D is correct. The density of 100 planes in simple cubic lattice with A is equal to 2 angstrom is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 19 per meter square. Option A is correct. And 30th question, in a power diffraction pattern recorded from a face centered cubic simple using X-rays, the first peak appears at 30 degree, the second peak will appear at 35.3 degree. So option D is correct. Next, the kinetic energy of a free electron at a corner of the first Brillouin zone of a two-dimensional square lattice is larger than that of an electron at the middle point of side of the zone by a factor B. The value of B is 2. So option B is correct. The solid phase of an element follows van der Waals bonding with interatomic potential V of R is equal to, they are given, where P and Q are constants. The bond length can be expressed as option B is correct, Q by P over power 1 by 6. The Fermi energies of two metals X and Y are 5 electron volt and 7 electron volt, and their D by temperature is 170 Kelvin and 340 Kelvin respectively. The molar specific heats and constants volume low temperature, they are given equation. If you solve this equation, we will get the answer that gamma x by gamma y ratio is equal to 5 by 7 and ax by ay ratio is 8. So option D is correct. Next, question number 34. A silicon crystal containing 5 into 10 to the power of 28 atoms per meter cube in an n-type silicon sample, and the donor concentration is for atom per 2.5 into 10 to the power of 7 silicon atoms. So for this, the electron effective mass is equal to mass, true mass, temperature at which Fermi level lies at the bottom of the conduction band is. The temperature we have to calculate here, and the option C is correct. T is equal to 0.56 Kelvin. Given the tight binding dispersion relation equation they are given, if we solve this by using the formula Vg is equal to dE by dW, we will get A by H. So option B is correct. And for question number 36, the temperature dependent of the electrical conductivity sigma of two intrinsic semiconductors A and B as shown in the figure. If EA and EB are the band gap of A and B respectively, which one of the following is true? EA is greater than EB. Option A is correct. Question number 37. The plot of specific heat versus temperature across the superconductor transition temperature Tc is represented as. So in this, the 4 graphs they are given. In that right one you have to choose. So option A is correct. This one. 38 question. For 38 question, the energy required Na plus Cal minus for the little bit verify for this question also. I have some doubts. But question number 39, the symmetry term in Whisker semi-empirical mass formula is because of unequal number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus. So option C is correct. And question number 40 related to the nuclear physics. By using the single particle shell model, the ground state spin of 209b atomic number they are given. Option A is correct, 9 by 2. And 41 question, a sample of carbon from an ancient wooden board piece gives 5 count per minute of carbon due to 14 C present in it. If a freshly cut wooden piece gives 16 count per minute, what is the age of the boat in years? So option B is correct, 10,608. A particle X decays at rest weakly as follows. So this is the equation they are given. In the four options, option C is correct. K plus. And question number 43. A 16O nucleus is spherical and has charge radius R and volume they are given. According to empirical observation, the volume of xenon 128 you have to calculate, and if you calculate that, we'll get 8 into volume of the oxygen. So option C is correct. A nucleus has a neutron resonance at 65 electron volt and no other resonance nearby. For this resonance, they are given gammas for alpha, beta, and for alpha, gamma, and neutron, and all the partial widths are negligible. What is the nuclear cross section you have to calculate here? If you calculate, you will get option B is correct, 2523. And question number 45. A neutron and a proton from a bound state. At the same time, there is no bound state for the two neutrons. This shows spin dependence of the nuclear force. Option A is correct. The electrical force between the Earth and Moon can be ignored because the bodies are electrically neutral. Option A is correct. A state containing only one strange particle. I will discuss in the last part for this question. Okay. Next, I will continue the question number 48. Consider the fictitious situation where 2 plus and 4 plus levels of 18O have the energies 2 mega electron volt and 6.6 into 2 by 3 mega electron volt respectively. In terms of moment of inertia, we have to calculate this. So if we calculate with the help of formula, we will get C option. So 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Next. 49th question. The angle between the curves x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9 and z is equal to x square plus y square minus 3. For the given points, they are given. This questions under vector calculus. If we calculate this, we will get option D. Theta is equal to cos inverse 8 by 3 root 21 is the correct answer. And for question number 50, if vectors A and vector B are irrotational, then option B, A cross B is solenoidal. Option B is correct answer. If one of the eigenvalues of the matrix 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 is 0, what is the other eigenvalue? Option C, 2 is the correct answer. So option C. And question number 52, the degree of differential equation they are given. For this, you will get option A is the correct answer. And the value, if you solve this, we will get 0. The value of A0 in the Fourier series of t square in the interval minus pi to pi is pi square by 3 is the correct answer, option A. And 35th, which of the following function is not analytic a e power sin z? Option A is correct. The Lagrangian of a particle of mass m is given by L is equal to 1 by 2 of mx dot square minus omega square x square into e power rt. The Hamiltonian corresponding to the Lagrangian is option C is correct. If you solve this, you will get option C. The Lagrangian of a mechanical system is L is equal to A q dot square plus B q power 4, where q is the generalized coordinate and A and B are constants. The equation of motion for this system is option D is correct. A system with 3 degrees of freedom is described by the Lagrangian. So for this, option D is correct, 0, 3, root 3 omega, root 3 omega. 59th question from classical mechanics. The Hamiltonian of the system is integral motion of potential energy, does not depend on time, and potential energy does not depend on generalized velocity. Law of conservation of energy holds good when potential energy is function of position only. For this question also, there is a small confusion in this, so not confirming this. The possible answer is option B. So let's see. In next question number 60 also related to classical mechanics. They are given the equation. For this, we have to calculate the Hamiltonian. So first we have to write the Lagrangian and calculate Hamiltonian. After solving this, we will get option C is correct. Next. So question number 61. The Hamiltonian of a particle for acting along z directions, Hamiltonian they are given. The cyclic coordinates we have to calculate. So option D, x and y are only. So option D is correct. Next, 62. A solid cylinder of mass m and radius r rolls down in inclined plane of height h without slipping. Find the speed of its center of mass when cylinder reaches the bottom. So option A is correct. Next, a tetrahedron has 4 vertices and each vertex is connected remaining 3 vertices of length. They are given. You have to calculate the flux through one face. So if you calculate that, we'll get Q by 4 epsilon naught is the correct answer. For question number 63, A is option, correct answer. For equal point charges are kept fixed at 4 vertices of a square, how many neutral points will be formed inside the square? So 1 neutral points, option A is correct. Question number 65. A circular wire of radius A is in the xy plane with its center at the origin. The charge per unit length of the wire, they are given, lambda is equal to lambda naught cos theta. From the positive x-axis, the electric field at the center of the circle is, option A is correct. A charge q moving with a velocity v along y-axis and magnetic field B is applied along x-axis, then the resultant Lorentz force on the charge q is along the negative z. Option D is correct. What current density would produce the vector potential A is equal to K phi cap in the cylindrical coordinates? So option B is correct, K by mu naught S square phi cap. And 68 question. The electric and magnetic field E and B corresponding to the scalar potential and vector potential, they are given. If we solve this, we will get option D is correct. And 69, the light passes from air to glass, refractive index 1.5. The reflection coefficient and transmission coefficients are calculated to be, option B is correct. And 70th question, if de Broglie wavelength of a proton and electron are same, then how are their kinetic energies? Option C is correct. Kinetic energy of electron is greater than the proton kinetic energy. And 71 question, suppose an electron is trapped in one-dimensional box. What should be the length of the box in units of Compton wavelength so that the 0 point energy is equal to the rest mass energy of the electron? So option A is correct, 0.35 lambda c. If h cap is the Hamiltonian of a simple harmonic, then u comma h is equal to. So this question also I have to solve. I will discuss in the later classes. And question number 73. Given two states psi 1 and psi 2 of the system described by the Hamiltonian H1 with corresponding eigenvalues E1 and E2, a certain state of the system is represented by psi is equal to 2 psi 1 minus I psi 2. What is the normalization constant if psi is normalized? So option A is correct, 1 by root 5. For a ground state hydrogen atom, the expectation value of the potential energy V is 2E. So option D is correct. The value of the commutation relation of Lz comma sin 2 theta is, option B is correct, 2I h cross sin square theta minus cos square theta. Question number 76. A quantum mechanical system has stationary state. Oh, this question also I have to solve. I will discuss in the later class. And 77. A Carnot engine works between a hot reservoir at temperature T1 and a cold reservoir at temperature T2. To increase its efficiency, T1 should be increased and T2 should be decreased. So option C is correct. Which of the following thermodynamic relation is used? So this also I have to see clearly. And 79. The phase trajectory of a one-dimensional harmonic oscillator has the shape of ellipse. Option D is correct. In grand canonical ensemble, the fluctuation is greater if. This question also little bit confusion. And 81, the chemical potential mu of a Bose gas at T is equal to Tc is, option A, 0. Next, the probability of occupancy of the Fermi level at non-zero temperature is, option C, 50%. 83. A spherical black body with radius r at temperature T at Kelvin emits an energy E in joules per second. Another spherical black body with radius 2r at temperature 2 T in Kelvin emits energy equal to. If we solve this, we will get 64 E joule per second. And 84th question, a silicon diode is in series with a 1.0 kilovolt resistor and a 5 volt battery. If the anode is connected to the positive battery terminal, the cathode voltage with respect to the negative battery terminal is option D 4.3 volt. A certain JFET data sheet gives VGS is equal to minus 4 volt. The pinch of voltage VP is plus 4 volt. Option D is correct. The gain of CE tuned amplifier frequency is, I think this is for independent at signal frequency. And 87, the purpose of nulling is to zero the output error voltage. Option C is correct for 87. And question number 88, the mode number of the asynchronous counter shown in the figure is, option A is correct, 24. And 89, the voltage of a circuit is measured by a voltmeter having an input impedance comparable with the output impedance of the circuit, thereby causing error in the voltage measurement. This error is called error caused by loading effect. How many comparators are required to build a 5-bit simultaneous AD converter? Option C is correct, 31. The Green's function, this question I have to solve, and 92 also I have to solve, and 93, the first approximation x1 up to 2 decimal places for the cube root of 13 using Newton-Raphson method with the initial guess of x0 is equal to 1.5 x will be. So for this, if you solve this, option A is will get, so 2.93. And this question I have to see. And 95th question, the number of irreducible representation of an abelian group is, option A is correct, the order of the group. And 96, the equilibrium points, I have to see this. The Lagrangian of a simple pendulum is given by L is equal to Lagrangian, they are given. The Poisson bracket between theta and theta dot is calculated. So option, if we calculate this, we will get option B, 1 by ml square. And for 98 question, for canonical variables Q and P, they are given. If we solve this, we will get alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 2. So option D is correct. And 99th question, the action variable of a linear harmonic oscillator is given by J is equal to, they are given force constant and total energy respectively. The frequency of the oscillation will get 1 by 2 pi root m by k. Option A is correct. For question number 100, you will get du by dt is equal to dou u by dou t plus u comma h. Option C is correct. The state containing only one strange particle can be created strongly from a state of zero strangeness. Option B is correct.